Puopungimania. It is Wednesday the... Hang on, let me check. Kia orana Puopungimania. It is Wednesday the 23rd of July 2025. We're here down at Muri Beach in my backyard. So blessed to be living here in paradise. And we are watching the sunrise. The colors are so beautiful this morning. It was a bit pink, purpley earlier on this morning. That's Motsutaukuka. And this is our beautiful beach in Muri. So I live here. I love it here. I love it so much. So just wanted to share with you all what sunrise looks like here in Muri, Rarotonga. To all my families overseas, here you go. Home is calling for you. So come back, pack up your bags, and come home. Look how beautiful this place is. Look how beautiful our home is. We miss you all. You know who you are. And we love you so much. You're not missing out on anything. You're not really missing out. Well, if you are, then come home. Look at that, so beautiful. And look how clear the water is. And it's so warm. The water's nice and warm. Mania. Thank you, Lord, for our beautiful home. To all who are watching this, I hope you have a good day, a great morning, a great day. And if you're ever thinking about going on a holiday, what better place than here in Rarotonga? Ka kite